Now let's have a look on some examples in order to clear up what I've said in the previous video. Okay, in order to sort shapes, we have to read the sorting rule. Okay, this is the first thing we have to do, is to read the sorting rule in order to follow it in so that we can sort the shapes. Okay, in the first example, the rule is to circle the shapes that have 4 vertices. Okay, that means that we are going to have a look on the following shapes in front of us. Okay, and we are going to circle all the shapes that have 4 vertices. Okay, or 4 corners. Now let's have a look, or let's count together the vertices of each shape. Okay, let's start by counting the vertices of the triangle. The triangle has 1, 2, and 3. These are the corners of the triangle. The triangle has 3 vertices, and he is asking me to circle the shapes that have 4 vertices. So that's why I didn't circle the triangle, okay? Because it's not following the sorting rule. Now let's have a look on this triangle also. It has 3 vertices as well, okay? It's just drawn in another shape, okay? So we are not going to circle this triangle as well. Now let's have a look on this square. Okay, let's count the vertices of the square together. This is the first corner, the second, third, and fourth. So the square has 4 vertices, so it's following the sorting rule. That's why we are going to circle it. This square has also 4 vertices or 4 corners. That's why we are going to circle it as well. Okay, this rectangle, okay, has 4 vertices or 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this rectangle has also 4 corners, so that's why I have to circle it as well. Okay, so these 3 shapes are following the sorting rule. That's why we circled them. Okay, now let's have a look on number 2. The sorting rule is not curved. He is asking me to circle all the shapes that have that are not curved. Okay, now let's have a look on this triangle. Does it have any curved surface? No, all the sides of the triangle are straight. Okay, all the sides of the triangle are straight, not curved like this. The circle has curved surface, okay, but the triangle has only straight surfaces, okay, or straight sides. So that's why we can circle the triangle. Okay, the square also has straight sides only. It doesn't have any curved surfaces. That's why it is following the sorting rule, so we are going to circle it. This is another shape of a triangle. We will also circle it because, as we said, that the triangle has only flat surfaces. Okay, it doesn't have any curved surfaces. The rectangle also has straight sides or flat surfaces, not curved. It has flat surfaces, so we can also circle it as well. These 2 circles, we have one small circle and one big. They both have curved surfaces, so they are not following the sorting rule. That's why we didn't circle them. Okay, let's move on to number 3. The sorting rule is, he is asking me to circle only the shapes that have 3 sides only. Okay, the shapes that have 3 sides only. Okay, if you remember, we mentioned in the previous sessions that the triangle is the only shape that have 3 sides. Okay, again, the triangle is the only shape that has 3 sides. let's count the three sides together in order to make sure, okay? 1, 2, 3. Here is another triangle, okay? 1, 2, 3. So these two shapes have three sides only, okay? Let's have a look on the circle. The circle doesn't have any sides. The square has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. The rectangle has also 4 sides as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another rectangle. It has also 4 sides. So we are not going to circle this, okay? We are just going to circle the shapes that have only 3 sides, as I did, okay? Let's go to question number 4. The sorting rule is more than 3 sides. I'm going to circle the shapes that have more than 3 sides. The rectangle, of course, it has 4 sides, so I'm going to circle it. The square also has more than 3 sides. It has 4 sides. That's why I have to circle it. This is another square, so I'm going to also circle it as well. The triangle, these are 2 triangles. I'm not going to circle them. Why? Because the sorting rule is asking me to circle the shapes that have more than 3 sides. The triangle has 3 sides only. It doesn't have more than 3. No, it has exactly 3 sides. Okay, so I'm not going to circle these 2 triangles or these 2 shapes. Okay.